Hi, welcome to this week's Furry Feline Friend. This is Grebo, and he is a domestic short-haired orange tabby. Very cute, very cuddly. He's just wanting to give me hugs right now, and has a cute little purr too. So if you'd like to come down and meet Grebo, you can visit us in our cattery building at the shelter at 30 North 40th Place. Our main crossroads are 40th Street in Washington. Or you can check him out on our website, which is www.aawl.org. And you can come and play with Mr. Grebo here. Very cute. Thank you so much and have a good day.